congratulate ang lahat ng bumubuo ng programang Day Off para sa award natin. Anak TV Awards. Congratulations sa buong lahat ng bumubuo ng Day Off. At maraming salamat sa Anak TV. Ayan. Alright.
Okay, Tita Susan, please invite them once again.
Well, congratulations, Carmina and Day Off.
Thank you po.
Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat. Sinubaybayan nyo ang unang 2 araw ng aming Christmas serye. Patuloy po nating subaybayan araw-araw pagkatapos ng Stairway to Heaven. Hanggang sa buong holidays po yan. Sana ngayong Pasko.
Of course, we have flowers for you. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank
everybody.
you. Maraming salamat.
Advance Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas sa inyo. Salamat. Thank you very much. Happy birthday, Miss Janine.
po.
Eto na, may sasabihin
Ay,
sila.
may
Go,
sasabihin
Ayan
Jay!
po. Advance happy birthday po kay Miss Mona. Bukas po
Ay,
birthday
Miss
niya.
Mona,
At
happy
maraming
birthday.
salamat po kay Attorney Gozon, Mr. Duavit, Miss
Ate
Wilma
Michelle Dora,
Galvante,
happy birthday.
Miss Lilibeth Razonable, and Miss Cheryl Ching C.
Yes, maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Janine Pianacar, ABB for Talk, Game, Reality, Entertainment TV.
Advance happy birthday kay Noel.
Noel Perez.
Advance happy
Noel.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chris Capavis and Danielle of Kids at Work. Thank you
Yay.
sa Savers Appliance Depot North EDSA.
Thank you, Kids at Work. Thank
Thank
you,
you, happy
everybody.
birthday.
Sana ngayong Pasko, gabi-gabi. Panoorin po natin yan.
And we'll see you again.
Goodbye, everybody!